Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. I got some sort of part to something. I don't know what it is. Looks pretty fancy. I got another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Just like that. Another, I thought it was a dinosaur. A giraffe. Stay. There is, well, we'll do the Green Lantern. Green Lantern. Come on, Green Lantern. Stay. It's a delicate balance with these spindly legs to hold up the Green Lantern. Okay. You ready? A little tiny Robin with a little tiny Batman. Look at that. So Batman... Stay. Come on. There he is. Okay. So you ready? For my $3, I got this little gadget here. I don't know what it does. I got the Scooby-Doo action set there. I got two of the Mutant Ninja Turtles. Green Lantern. Giraffe. I don't know if it's a brontosaurus, but a dinosaur. And, you ready for this? Batman and little tiny Robin. Nice. Thank you guys and gals for coming along on this journey. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming, and please subscribe for updates. And this is the DIY Magician with a grab bag special. Until next time. Bye-bye now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? You're right there. Bye now.